As of March 2022, you can also view conjoined leaves using Bifolia View. When you select a leaf that has a conjoin with images linked to any of its sides, you will have the option to view inner bifolia or outer bifolia. This option will not be available for single leaves or for leaves without images mapped to them. Clicking on these will open an image view with the page image alongside the image of the conjoined page. Inner bifolia will display the side of the bifolia that faces inside the quire, i.e., the verso of the small numbered leaf on the left and the recto of the larger numbered leaf on the right. And outer bifolia will display the side of the bifolio that faces the outside of the quire, i.e., the verso of the larger numbered leaf on the left and the recto of the smaller numbered leaf on the right.